Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your payment information with Stripe. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Stripe website. Log into your Stripe account using your email and password. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Stripe dashboard. Look for the Settings option located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on Settings to access various account options. In the Settings menu, find and select Bank Accounts and Scheduling or similar option related to payment settings. Locate the Payment Methods section within this menu. Click on the Edit button next to the payment method you wish to update. You will see fields to enter your new payment information. Input your updated credit card or bank account details as needed. Make sure all information is accurate, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. If updating a bank account, ensure you enter the correct account and routing numbers. Once you have entered the new information, review it for any errors. After confirming the details, look for the Save or Update button and click it. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your payment information has been successfully updated. If necessary, test your new payment method with a small transaction to ensure it is working properly. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section on the Stripe website for further assistance. Exit the settings and return to your Stripe dashboard to continue managing your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.